Top of the morning to you. So, today, we're at Paliku. Look at that. Look at how beautiful today is. Just look. Shh, don't speak. Shh. Shh. It's very, very nice today. Today is one of the more beautiful days. Today we're at Paliku Theater. I'm gonna be singing with the Sounds of Aloha and 808. Yeah, with 808, and we're gonna be doing a Christmas show called Rudolph Retires. So the storyline is basically Rudolph is fed up with his job as being lead reindeer, and he decides, hey, that's it, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. And he quits. He retires. And everyone freaks out. All the elves are like, oh no, what are we going to do? And so the whole story is we have to find a replacement for Rudolph. Someone that can pull the sleigh and fly through the air and lead the reindeer and be Rudolph. And some of the candidates for this job include Superman, Mighty Mouse, and Kikaida. Yeah, we're weird like that. But anyways, yeah, we're here at Paliku. There's not much else to talk about. We're here at Paliku. Let's walk through the back door. Shall we? If you ever want internet access on this campus, here you go. Giving free internet to people. Christmas and Barbershop.
Do we have spirit now? Yeah. Sorry.
You know, Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer has a tiny nose, and if you ever saw it,
They're busy doing stuff. That's Connor Mears, Hope Laidlaw, and Stephanie Conching. They're doing a bunch of good stuff. Oh, helicopter!
So yeah, very potentially a really good deal. And I would keep on at the 20-hour-a-week school.
Here's the shop. I don't know if I've ever been in the shop with you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's a window up in the corner there. Can you see it? And it's like kind of covered mainly. So I actually covered that one day because I was taking a nap in the shop and the light from there was like right on my face, so I covered it up. Hee. So I don't know if that does anything, but look, you want to see the chandelier from Phantom? Yes? No? Yes. That thing fell from the top of our theater all the way to the stage and almost hit me every night. It was quite scary. Let's go down this way, shall we? Oh no, it's dark. Oh, I just remembered I did do a vlog with you right here. So yeah, here's our steep stepped theater. How high up we are now.
And if you want, sit those on.
I love these designs on the side.
Or you try them where
Oh, I've been on the grid up there. Grid is super fun. Really scary, but super fun. Oh, way too dark in here. Hold on. I can change that. There's a rough. There we go. Here's the third floor lounge. And there's one more right out there. Kind of high. Planetarium. Elevator. TV. Building glass. Wood. Stuff. Anyways, I think I'm done. See you guys. Oh. See you guys later. Bye.